All right, I got the OUFUNI smartwatch here featuring an IP67 waterproof rating, and it works with iOS and Android. I'm going to show you how this works after we get it charged up, but I just wanted to unbox it and show you what you get in the package. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's take a look. All right, we got a user manual in several different languages. We have the strap itself, which we're going to have to attach on there. We have the watch. It comes with a protective cover on the screen, a nice rounded 1.75-inch screen. True view display on here. That's going to be cool. Here we've got a nice protective cover over the heartbeat sensor. I'm going to leave that on for now while we charge this up. Of course, it comes with its own unique charging cable. It's got a little magnetic charger on here. You just attach it to the back end. I felt it vibrate, and it shows me that it is charging. There's a little clip on the back that's spring-loaded. There's a little spring-loaded thing on the back right there. You just kind of slide down with your fingernail or whatever and put it in there. And behind it, I downloaded the GloryFit app right there. See GloryFit? It has a bunch of stuff on there it asks you to do. I just hit ignore on everything and got it all the way through this point where it wants me to select a device. Searching for a device, and it finds the device just like it says on the site. So it is actually connected to the watch, and the time is right. How about that? Now I've gone into my Bluetooth settings here, and I have pairing it up to the watch. So once you got it connected to the app, there's all kinds of stuff you can change and set in here. And on the phone itself, just a bunch of options. If you swipe this way and then up and down, there's settings you can change around and stuff you can do. Just all kinds. You can change the there's the weathers on here. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge this thing up, and it's got a working time of about 2 to 3 days according to the literature, and a standby time of 20 days. It's got sleep monitoring on there. It's got DIY dial. You can pick all kinds of dials you want to put on there. It's IP67 waterproof, which I think is pretty awesome. If you're looking for a smartwatch to tie to your Android or iOS phone with a fitness tracker, sleep monitor, a watch you can answer and make calls on with a full HD touchscreen, your normal smartwatch stuff, check out this one by OUFUNI. Check it out.